of his 27th year, coming home to a place he'd never been before. Then yesterday behind him, he might say he was born again. He might say he found the key for every door. When he pressed me to the mountains, his life was far away. On the road, hanging in flies all. When things are already broken, he doesn't really care. He thinks fast, it won't last long. In the Colorado Rocky Mountain High, I'm feeling rain and fire in the sky. The shadows on the starlight, it's off forever the day. Rocky Mountain High, Rocky Mountain High. He tried to see the mountain, he saw 2 clouds below. He saw everything as far as he could see. And the day that he got shaken once and he tried to touch his soul, then he lost his friend and kept his memory. And now he watched him quiet stars through the forest of a tree, taking grace in every step he takes. He tries to burn his mind himself and try to understand the serenity of a pilgrim found away. And the Colorado Rocky Mountain High, I see the rain and fire in the sky. And the north sky, the listen to the sky, the world of light. Rocky Mountain High, Rocky Mountain High. Now life is full of wonder, when I doesn't know the team of the simple things that God comprehend. When the tides tear the mountains down and bring a couple more people, more stars upon the land. And the Colorado Rocky Mountain High, I see the rain and fire in the sky. And I'll be a poor man if you never thought he could fly. If you know Rocky Mountain High, I see the rain and fire in the sky. When it's around to get a fire, everybody high. Rocky Mountain High, Rocky Mountain High, Rocky Mountain High, Rocky Mountain High.